Clearing your search history on Grubhub can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these simple steps to manage your search history effectively. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or menu button, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the account settings until you find the Privacy or Data section. This area typically contains options related to your personal information and activity history. Step 4. Clear Search History. Look for an option labeled Clear Search History or Manage Search History. Tap on this option, and you may be prompted to confirm your choice to delete the history. Step 5. Confirm Deletion. Confirm that you want to clear your search history. Once confirmed, your search history will be deleted, and you can start fresh with your searches. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Grubhub. Keeping your search history private can enhance your overall experience on the platform.